Welcome to Wormbait One Day with your host, Steve Holt. And this is going to be our final experiment for Bumble verification. So I got a little helper here we'll introduce soon, but we just want to compare an average person. Now let's start over. Welcome to Wormbait One Day. I'm your host, Steve Holt. And I don't have my laptop here with me because we're going to be running the last stage of our experiment regarding Bumble verification. We got a little helper that'll be helping us with that over here. This handsome devil with his little googly eyes, and see, he's got a nose, and there's his big old mouth. That's how he eats. So this coffee machine here is going to attempt to crack Bumble's verification compared to a human face. So I haven't shot any of this footage yet, so we're flying by the seat of our pants here. But we're gonna have this guy, we're gonna throw in the hand gesture. Right behind him, we'll hold the phone to the side. We'll have that done through the computer with screen copy to show our steps of the way. Shh, quiet, buddy. Show our steps of the way, and maybe we'll get verified. I don't know. I was pretty hesitant, but these goddamn googly eyes are pretty freaking convincing. It's even got a nose, a mouth, so I think this might pass the human verification if we throw the hand symbol up in the way. I really think it will. We'll just take a couple pictures of me, throw them up there so we have a human face. Probably even one of the ones where I compared to the model in one of the last videos for the thumb, and see how Mr. Keurig here will do. Mr. Keur is going to be the profile name. So I'll get that profile made. I'll get minimum number of pictures I need, 1 or 2, I'm assuming, maybe 3. And then we're just going to go straight to the verification process with this guy, and hopefully we pass. So let's see how we do. Alright, here's the pose we have to strike. So of course we're going to strike this with our nice coffee maker here. Pretty convincing with that nice set of googly eyes we got on it. Maybe we'll pass. Make sure you get your hand in the shot, dummy. Way more difficult than the thumbs up. Alright, let's get, good enough. Let's get photo verified. We got our hand on the wrong side, it looks like, so let's give it another shot. Now hopefully we got our hand here on the right side. I don't know. Wasn't really on the side of the face of the unit, but let's try submitting. Damn, we didn't pass. Okay. Got our hand on the right side now, it looks like. Let's give it a third try now. Hopefully that hand positioning is good though. Rat farts, we got another failure. Okay, so maybe the googly eyes aren't convincing enough. Let's just try one more time here. Head's a little low, hand's a little big. Screw it, we probably don't have a shot anyway, but let's try it out. No dice. Alright, let's just try to see if we can pass at least. So we know that a human is able to pass this verification process. Well, we see that as an inanimate object, it sadly was a failure, but pretty convincing with its two googly eyes, its button nose, and its big mouth here. But it looks like Bumble's verification process is at least good enough to not verify a coffee maker for a human being. So next, we're going to try a mannequin. See if a mannequin's able to pass as a human being. I don't know. If it's got distinctive facial features, maybe, but I don't know. It is an inanimate object, so it's going to be weird. And it's going to be just like one color, like that tannish or white, where it's pretty not noticeable to like someone that's got like a goofy farmer's tan or anything like that going on. But alright, so sadly, inanimate object, this guy here did fail, but we'll give it a shot here soon with a mannequin, see, and then after that, we'll see if we get more ideas. If it does pass, I don't know, find something between a mannequin and a coffee machine. If it doesn't pass, how can you get closer to a human that's not a mannequin? There are ways, but I think we've already proved enough that Bumble is crap for the verification anti-catfishing processes that it does employ. So, thanks a lot, Mr. Cure. You did a hell of a job, even though you didn't pass. I think you look damn good, but I don't know. Maybe we'll see you here in another video sometime soon to help us out. But as for now, this is Wormbait One Day. We'll be signing out. Stay safe, stay jolly. Stay alive for now. We'll catch you again.